done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
YouTube, what's going on? It's about SRT Joes. Today I got a POV for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see me because it's currently nighttime, so I'm gonna give you guys a late night POV. In the motherfucking Batmobile, aka Panda. For everybody who's new, welcome to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm finna go ahead and get active for you guys tonight. And let's get 100 likes on this video. Y'all get 100 likes, I'll do something special. And for the next one, I got something even more crazy for you guys. So let's go ahead and hit that. Let me give you guys a little remote to start. Let's go ahead and get inside. And let's go crazy now, fool. Oh, unlock. Let's do this thing. Sport mode. I don't know if you guys could see me in the intro because it was looking dark outside, so it's fine if you guys couldn't see me. Hold on, I gotta put my seatbelt on, fam. I can't see the damn thing coming this way. Fuck. I can see a little bit. It's not too bad. What the fuck? Did y'all hear the pop on my first downshift? Or am I tweaking? I know y'all heard that bit. I don't know if it was popping. I said pop pop. I said, oh fuck. But ain't no way y'all didn't hear that pop. Oh shit. Oh, he tweaking. Man, it's hot as hell, boy. Yo, go ahead. Hit that like. Y'all go ahead and hit that like on the video. Let's get right. We're on the road to getting monetized, so let's go ahead and do it. Let's come on. Come on. Copyright. open the sunroof for you guys. Actually, no. I don't know if you guys can see because my windshield is also tinted, so it might be a little dark for you guys to see outside. So you guys might just be able to see tail lights and whatnot. With my windshield, it's kind of dark, but it's not too dark though. Damn, see you cut me off. Boy, I got off the wrong exit. Damn. Actually, not much. I'm finna get out. Well, I'm going to end the POV right here, so I'm finna get out. I'm gonna show you guys the car. I wanna show you guys the whip. Film. This the whip. Somebody going crazy over here. Someone. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video, and make sure you guys leave a like for sure. And let me know what you guys think about the car and whatnot. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.